Trump says, his lawyers go, did you even look for surveillance footage? Is there surveillance footage? Oh, yes, this store has surveillance footage on archive of who comes in and who goes out. There's only one entrance, one exit. And did she ask for any surveillance footage? Did her lawyers ask for it to prove that Trump was even there? He says he was never even there. She never asked for it. You know what? She didn't have to. It could have created a problem if they couldn't find it. So Trump said, can't you produce any of that evidence that I was ever there? No evidence that it was there. He said, well, can my lawyers basically cross-examine you? The lawyers were forbidden to cross-examine her. But then in an unprecedented display of absolute mutilated justice, the judge did something which no judge does. They said, bring in any testimony we ever had against Trump about him being a wild bachelor or, a single guy. And so what you can't typically do in a court case is allow the legal team to bring negative testimony about you, unrelated to the trial, just to slander you in the court, so that people develop a general sense of, yeah, this is really a bad guy. Then you're not allowed to bring up. I was once in jury duty, and the guy had a rap sheet of 40 different things he was arrested for. Now it's his 41st time altercation with a policeman. They were not allowed to discuss with us any of the previous 40 incidents. Could have been 40 incidents with policemen. We wouldn't know. They weren't allowed. In Trump's case, any incident was allowed to be discussed by witnesses. So Trump says, I have absolutely no idea who this woman is. The verdict is a disgrace. All of this is a continuation of a witch hunt. He didn't show up to defend himself because he didn't want to have that footage put out there for everybody to manipulate, as they would with Media Matters. But these jurisdictions that are controlled by the Democratic Party are compromised. And the extremist left wing of the political apparatus hired by Soros will go after anyone. And so our nation is really in serious trouble. But I know you know that. And I believe that these things are nothing compared to what's about to come down on the Biden White House. This is small potatoes, as Hyman Roth would say in Godfather 2, small potatoes.
Oh boy, subscribe right now.